Hi all, this is a spot welder. The name is AwithZ. It's a Chinese company, I think, and it's one of the best that I've found. It can do 0.4 millimeter of nickel strip, not the pure one, but the less pure, one of the strongest. Now this one is using supercapacitors. The model is UF20B, and the reason I'm doing this video because I was searching how to take it apart and I couldn't find. Many times I'm searching for myself to find out how to take things apart. This time I did not find, so I did it myself. It was pretty tricky, and I will show you part of the disassembly. Okay, so in the back it's very simple. There is just this cover with 4 screws. You take them off and no issue. But the problem is with the front panel. The front panel, which I took it apart, is this. So the question is how you take it off. So I found that there are clips on the rear side of it, and you cannot get to them when it is closed. So what you can do, what I did, I used a Chinese chopstick and got to the plastic clips and just pulled them. I pushed from this side, and then when it was a little out, gently I pull it from the other side. But it was pretty problematic to do it, so I'm showing you. Now what you can see here is 2 supercapacitors, and there is a power supply. And the reason I open it in order to understand what is the voltage that this is working. Yeah, basically I thought that it is 6 volt because first it is written here, output power 6 volt max, and I wanted to make sure that it is correct. So after disassemble it, you can measure basically. You can open the screws, but there are wires that are catching it, and it is a little problematic because there is a silicone that is catching the supercapacitor, and I didn't want to ruin it. So just got to the way that I can measure the voltage, which was very near 6 volt, 5.84, something like this. And where you can measure it, there are two points here. One is V minus and V plus, and when you connect it to power, it is charging till the supercapacitor charge, and then you can measure the voltage between these 2 points, and you will see that this is the voltage. By the way, now when it is charged, I can turn it on. You know, you can go between the menu and check anything. Now the supercapacitor is a little discharged, but I think we can still measure the voltage now, probably a little less than the number I told you, but let's check it. So we have the V minus and V plus. Yeah, now it's 5.4, but when it is fully charged, you will get a 5.84 in my case. You just need to connect the power. Yeah, when you work in it, you need to connect the power because it charge and discharge, charge and discharge. And now after showing, in order to close it, it will be the same way probably. So maybe before closing, there is a little dust, I think. So what I can do is close it, and I see the dust. Not critical, but like in iPhone, I want it to be very clean. Yeah, and now I can put it back same way I took it. So all the knacks first I tried to open it from this side, and I did ruin a little bit, but no major issue. Yeah, and it is still turning on, so it's a good sign. And now to close the back cover, pretty simple basically. There is a way to open it, to close it, sorry. I mean, two directions are different. Now I will close it, but this is one of the best spot welder on the market, and a video just to show you how to disassemble it. Maybe I will show you one demonstration. So I'm taking 0.2 millimeter thick of nickel strip, which is very, you know, it's a thick one, it's not the small one. The setting is 60% now, and I will see how it is welding it. It is now connected to power. Okay, you can see it did it very well. I can see it. I can remove it, but maybe I will add more power for this one. So now it is on 80%. Do you see? I need to take this copper and put it back how it is sketched. Okay, now do another weld. Okay, so 80%. You can see I cannot remove it. It's very, very, very strong. Believe me, I am using a lot of force in order to try to disconnect these strips. Okay, so that's all. Thank you and bye.